हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल स्टडी फॉर सिविल्स। आज हम कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि आपके आने वाले यूपी पीएससी, हरियाणा पीएससी एंड बिहार पीएससी के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट होंगे। सो बिना टाइम वेस्ट के हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वेयर इज़ द इंडो कोरियन फ्रेंडशिप पार्क इनॉग्रेटेड? इंडो कोरियन फ्रेंडशिप पार्क कहाँ इनॉग्रेट किया गया? इट हैज़ बीन इनॉग्रेटेड इन दिल्ली। Second, recently which country has successfully tested the Shaheen 1A missile? Shaheen 1A missile has been successfully tested by Pakistan. Recently, who has been appointed as Mahindra and Mahindra as Managing Director and CEO? Anish Shah has been appointed as the Managing Director and CEO of Mahindra and Mahindra. Who started the Tribal TB initiative as part of TB Free India? Tribal TB initiative has been recently started by Dr. Harshvardhan Singh. Next question, when is Earth Hour Day celebrated? So Earth Hour Day is celebrated on 27th March. Recently, Fitch Ratings has estimated which percentage of India's GDP in financial year 2021-22. Recently, it has been estimated at 12.8%. Next question, when is World Theatre Day? So World Theatre Day is celebrated on 27th March. नेक्स्ट होगा हमारा, विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ अनाउंस्ड द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ अफोर्डेबल रेंटल हाउसिंग स्कीम? सो इट हैज़ बीन अनाउंस्ड बाय उत्तर प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट, जो कि आपका अफोर्डेबल रेंटल हाउसिंग स्कीम अनाउंस की गई है। नेक्स्ट इज, रिसेंटली लक्ष्मी प्रिया महापात्रा वॉज अ फेमस डिमाइज। सो लक्ष्मी प्रिया महापात्रा who recently expired was a dancer. So she was related to the expertise in dancing. Where is the 28th Hunar Haat inaugurated? So 28th Hunar Haat was inaugurated in the state of Goa. Recently, climbers Rohtash Kaleri and Anu Yadav have set a record for 24 hours stop at which highest peak? So it is very important for your upcoming exam क्योंकि ये बहुत ही हाईलाइट हुआ है न्यूज़ में. It is Mount Kilimanjaro and it is also the world's highest single फ्री स्टैंडिंग माउंटेन, क्योंकि हमारा जो माउंट एवरेस्ट है वो रेंज में है. सो सिंगल फ्री स्टैंडिंग माउंटेन आपका माउंट किलिमंजारो है. नेक्स्ट है हमारा, रिसेंटली फॉरेन मिनिस्टर एस जयशंकर विल गो ऑन अ 2-day ऑफिशियल विजिट टू विच कंट्री? सो द कंट्री इज ताजिकिस्तान. Next is, recently which Prime Minister Modi has announced the Golden Jubilee Scholarship for the youth of which country? So Golden Jubilee Scholarship has been announced for Bangladesh, which was announced by our Prime Minister. Next is, recently Denis Sassou Nguesso has won the election of the president of which country? So he won the election of the state of Congo. So recently he became the president of Congo. Recently, Uttar Pradesh cabinet has announced to change which city in the police commissionerate? So recently it has been announced to change in this city of Kanpur and Varanasi. So this is also important. Next is, when has World Water Day been celebrated recently? So World Water Day is celebrated on 22nd March. These dates are important because these questions are repeatedly been asked in the previous examinations. So take a better note of these dates. According to Defense Affairs website, Military Direct, which country has the most powerful army? So the most powerful army stands with China. China के पास हमारी सबसे powerful army है. Next is, what position has India ranked in the ongoing Global Home Price Index? So in the Global Home Price Index, India stood at 56th place. Which state's 109th Foundation Day has been observed on 22nd March? So 22nd March को बिहार का 109th Foundation Day observe किया गया है. Next is, where has the 3-day Shehnai festival started recently? So the Shehnai festival has been started in the city of Varanasi. Which country has taken the initiative to open more border hats along the border of Mizoram? So हमारे जो border हाट है, it exists between India and Bangladesh. So ये हमारे जो न्यू border hats सेटअप किए गए हैं along the border of Mizoram, वो बांग्लादेश ने किए हैं. Which coach factory of Indian Railways has introduced the first AC Shri Tier economy class coach? So it is the Kapurthala. Which state's farmers have started the fresh fruit cake movement. So fresh fruit cake movement has been started by the farmers of Maharashtra. So this is also very important. Which company's vice chairman Sasir Sengupta has resigned? So it is the vice chairman of Google who has recently resigned. Who became the first state to have an ethanol policy? तो ये हमने अपने पहली करंट अफेयर्स की वीडियो में भी डिस्कस किया है. इट इज़ द स्टेट ऑफ बिहार. दिस इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. When has World Poetry Day been celebrated recently? So it was March 21st when World Poetry Day is celebrated every year. According to the report, in which country are the world's most dangerous roads? So the most dangerous roads exist in the country of South Africa. Next is, who has been elected Sarkaryavar or General Secretary of National Self-Service Association? So it is Dattatreya Hosabali has been recently elected as the General Secretary of National Self-Service Association. Who has emerged as a model state for Vandan Vikas Yojana? So the model state for Vandan Vikas Yojana has been emerged. The Manipur state has emerged. India has launched artificial intelligence initiative with which country? So the recently artificial intelligence initiative has been launched with the country America, United States of America. According to the report, by what percentage has the digital transaction of SBI increased? So it is 7%. According to the report, which is the only Asian currency strengthened. So the rupee is the only Asian currency which has strengthened in the COVID time. So this is also important. Which state has announced an additional salary of 1 month for health workers? So it is the state of Jharkhand which has announced an additional salary for 1 month for the health workers. ये बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. इससे हमारे जो हेल्थ वर्कर्स है वो बहुत ही encouraged फील करते हैं. Next is, who has launched the voice chats 2.0 feature? So voice chats 2.0 feature has been launched by Telegram Messenger APK. So Telegram has launched this voice chat feature. Which state has announced the launch of summer campaign? So summer campaign has been launched by the state of Jharkhand. Arindam Bagachi has been appointed as the spokesperson of which ministry? So Arindam Bagachi has been appointed as the spokesperson of foreign ministry. So this is also important. Which country has passed a law legalizing willful death? So the country is Spain. This is also very important. When is World Consumers Day celebrated? So this question has been repeated many times and this is very important. So it is 15th March when World Consumer Rights Day is celebrated. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस अक्सर आपके जो मैच द फॉलोइंग होते हैं उसमें भी आ जाते हैं. तो अगर आपको इसका सही जवाब पता होगा तो आप एलिमिनेट करने में बहुत ही सफल रहेंगे, बहुत सक्सेस मिलेगा आपको एलिमिनेट करने में. और बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि अगर आपको एक भी आंसर पता है तो इसमें आपका पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाता है. सो ट्राई टू रिमेंबर दिस डेट्स, दिस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. विच बैंक हैज लॉन्च्ड विकास Asha loan scheme for women? So it is Karnataka Development Rural Bank which has launched Vikash Asha loan scheme that is for women. Next is, who is the first batsman to score 3000 runs in T20 International? So I guess ये जवाब आप सभी को पता होगा. उसका आंसर है हमारा विराट कोहली. Which small finance bank has started Dignity Savings Accounts for women? So Dignity Savings Account has been started by which bank? It is Ujjwala Small it is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Next is, who has been appointed as the national head of Kia Motors India? So Hardeep Singh Barad has been appointed as the head of Kia Motors India. Next is, which country has announced the launch of Help is Here tour to promote the COVID relief scheme? So this is also important. It has been launched by United States of America. The scheme is Help is Here tour to promote the COVID relief. Next is, in which state Kala Namak Rice Festival is organized? So it is Kala Namak Rice, you can say. Kala Namak Rice Festival is organized in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Which state has reserved 75% of jobs in the private sector for the local people? It is Jharkhand. So there has been a controversy because this was also reserved by the state of Haryana. So keep that in mind, students. Which country's player Rashid Khan has set a world record in test cricket? So it is Afghanistan. So Rashid Khan belongs to the state of Afghanistan. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of ICRI-ER? So he is Deepak Mishra. In which country is the Bamiyan Buddha revived through a 3D projector? So I guess 90% of the students who are also preparing for UPSC might be knowing this answer very well. So it is the state of Afghanistan. When has NCRP celebrated its 36th Foundation Day? So it was celebrated on 11th March. Which country has the world's most powerful computer ready for use? So the most powerful computer is held by the state of Japan. Who has been appointed the new captain of the West Indies test team? So he is Craig Brathwaite. Next is, who has inaugurated his first major vaccination clinic to save people from corona? So it is New Zealand. I guess you might be aware of the news that New Zealand had done very well in combating with the COVID-19. So they have inaugurated their first major vaccination clinic. So it is the state of New Zealand. Which state government has tied up with IBM to start STEM for girls? So it has the state of Uttarakhand. Just let me know in the comment section if you know what STEM stands for. Next is, which bank has lifted the PCA ban on RBI? So it is IDBI Bank. Next is, which state government has increased the fares of all commercial vehicles by 19%? So it is the state of Jammu and Kashmir which has increased the fares of all commercial vehicles by 19%. Next is, which state administrator of the famous spiritual organization Brahma Kumarji has passed away? So he is the chief administrator. The name of the administrator is Dadi Hriday Mohini. So this is also important. Who became the first player from Afghanistan to score a double century in Test cricket? So it is Hashmatullah Shahidi, who has been the first player from Afghanistan to score a double century in Test cricket. Which state has stopped the land record digitization? So it is the state of Madhya Pradesh. The Election Commission has ordered the removal of the Director General of Police of which state? So I guess this is very much in news. So it is the state of West Bengal. Next is, Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate the friendship bridge between India and which country? So this is important. The friendship bridge is between India and Bangladesh. So this is also very much important. Which state government has targeted vaccination of 1 lakh women? So it is the state of Bihar, which has targeted vaccination of 1 lakh women in the state. Where is the 14th UN Crime Congress organized? So it is organized in the state of Kyoto. It is the next is, where is the 2-day Good Festival or Jogiri Festival organized? So 2-day this Good Festival is organized in this city of Lucknow. Next is, Lakshmi Narayan Bhatt has died. Who were they? So Lakshmi Narayan Bhatt, he was a poet. This is important. Where is India's largest kidney dialysis hospital opened? So the largest kidney dialysis hospital has been opened in New Delhi, and हमने अपनी पुरानी वीडियो में डिस्कस किया है. So it is a gurudwara and not a hospital. Next is, which medal did PV Sindhu win at the BWF Swiss Open? So she won a silver medal. Who won? PV Sindhu at BWF Swiss Open. So all these data are important. Where is India's first forest medicine center opened? India's first forest medicine center has been opened recently in the state of Uttarakhand. So this is also very important. Which state police has organized all women parade? All women parade has been recently organized by the state of Himachal Pradesh. Which bank has announced the launch of mentoring program Smart Up Udyog? So Smart Up Udyog has been started by HDFC Bank. This is important. Recently, International Day of Human Space Flight has been celebrated. So it has been celebrated on 12th April. Who has announced the launch of Mentor Connect program? So it is Amazon India who has recently announced the launch of Mentor Connect program. Next is, who has inaugurated the decision and order portal? So it has been inaugurated by D.Y. Chandrachud. Who became the first country to implement the largest free trade agreement RCEP? The first country to implement Do let me know in the comment section whether India is a part of RCEP or not. So the first country to implement is Singapore. Recently, Satish Kaul has passed away. Who were they? So Satish Kaul was an actor. This is important. Which state has made Sonu Sood as the COVID vaccination ambassador? So it is the state of Punjab who has made Sonu Sood as the COVID vaccination ambassador. He did, I guess, he did a great job during the COVID times. So he deserved that. Who has been awarded the Knight of the Order of Arts and Letters of Honor? Who has been awarded? Kunit Monga. This is important. Who has been awarded the UAE's Top Civilian Award? So Yusuf Ali has been honored with UAE's Top Civilian Award. How many crore rupees has been collected by SBI from zero balance accounts? So it is 300 million rupees which SBI has collected from zero balance accounts. ज़ीरो बैलेंस अकाउंट्स आर दोज अकाउंट जहाँ पर अगर आप ज़ीरो बैलेंस रखते हैं तो आपका नेगेटिव चार्ज नहीं लगता है, नॉर्मली अकाउंट्स में लगते हैं, बट आपके जैसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जन धन योजना है, दोज अकाउंट्स आर ज़ीरो बैलेंस अकाउंट्स, अगर जहाँ पर आप अगर ज़ीरो बैलेंस भी रखते हैं तो आपका कोई नेगेटिव चार्ज नहीं लगता है. Which country has announced the name of its first female astronaut? So it is this country of UAE which has announced the name of its first female astronaut. Next is which country has approved the Johnson and Johnson vaccine? So Johnson and Johnson vaccine has been approved by Canada. Which bank is tied up with the Indian Army to handle the accounts of Indian Army personnel? So it is Kotak Mahindra Bank who has tied up with the Indian Army to handle the accounts of Indian Army personnel. Which state government has launched an online registration portal for migrant workers? So the online registration portal for migrant workers has been launched by Meghalaya. Which state has launched the Chief Minister Antyodaya Parivar Uthan Yojana? So it has been launched by the state of Haryana. Next is which organization will launch Artificial Intelligence Game Changers program in India? So it is NASCOM. NASCOM has been very much active in implementing schemes related to artificial intelligence in India. So do keep that in mind. Who has launched the digital program Jagrit Tripura to promote e-governance? So it has been launched by Biplab Kumar Dev, launched in the state of, I guess you might be you might have guessed well. So the name is Jagrit Tripura. So you can guess from the name itself. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Parliament TV? So it is Ravi Kapoor. Which country's government has launched its national app portal? So it is the state of Bangladesh. Next is who has become the Assistant Secretary General of United Nations? This is very much important. So it is Legia Noronha who has become the Assistant Secretary General of United Nations. Which country has NSA Babaganga Monungo visited New Delhi? So it is Nigeria. It belongs to the state of Nigeria. Who became the first state to come up with gender budget concept? So the first state to come up with gender budget concept is the state of Andhra Pradesh. Which state government has started night travel in 3 national parks? So recently Madhya Pradesh has started night travel in 3 national parks. Do let me know in the comment sections the name of these 3 national parks where night travel has been recently allowed by Madhya Pradesh government. Next is where is Akshay Patra all woman art exhibition inaugurated? So it has been inaugurated in New Delhi. John Laporta has won the election of president of which country? So recently he won the election to the state of Barcelona and he has been appointed as the president. Ishar Singh Deol has passed away. Who was he? So he belonged to the field of athletes. This is important. Who has made Glenmark Pharma its brand ambassador? So Rohit Sharma has been made the Glenmark Pharma's brand ambassador. This is also important. Which country's president has won the African Leadership Award? So African Leadership Award has been won by the state of Niger. This is also important. Which state's chief minister has resigned? So it is the Uttarakhand state chief minister who has recently resigned. Which year has been declared by the UN as the International Year of Millets? So it is 2023. The spelling is incorrect here. Which country has shipped the first red rice consignment to India? So it is the state of United States of America who has shipped the first red rice consignment to India. This is also very important. And this is which country has approved the Johnson & Johnson vaccine? So it is the state of Canada. This is also important. So we are like up with our current affairs for today. Do like, share and subscribe our channel if you like our content and our video. Till then, work hard guys. Best of luck.